Welcome to Floral Gossip, my most favourite part of the workshop. Can't wait to introduce you to my male friend, Tuberose. And it is a delight to stand next to Tuberose because he smells so good. Don't you, my friend? It is a male because it's a bulbous cut flower, which means that you've got to cut your stems flush. Let me demonstrate how that's done. So flush, because it's a bulb. And guess what? Men don't like wearing high heels. They don't like the diagonal cut. And if you're going to force a man to wear high heels, too much water goes straight to the head. And what happens to men? When they drink a lot, they then look drunk. So prevention is better than cure. Never force a man to wear heels. Never force a man to be a female. And we've just eliminated that by doing the right thing, by cutting it flush. Now with the Tuberose, I know it smells sensational. It ages from the bottom up, and as you can see, it's quite tightly budded as it goes all the way to the top, and it starts to open up slightly as it goes up the spine of the Tuberose. Now we've got the bottom open, and as you can see, it's starting to brown up, and I'll tell you why it's starting to brown up. Yes, it is aging, but because I've touched it and I've sniffed it. And guess what? The tips of your fingers and your nose contain oil depositories. In contact with especially white coloured flowers, they're going to start accelerating the aging process. So they're going to go from yellow, and as they're aging forward, they're going to go brown. So please, if you're going to give it a sniff it from a distance, and it's a big no-no to touch it. If you do, I suggest you glove up with some latex glove. A beautiful cut flower, a flower that definitely your mother, your grandmother's gonna love, because that generation is into scent. And if you want to create a romantic mood, a mood that is going to be unforgettable, especially when it comes to an event that you're planning, don't go past the Tuberose. I certainly can't go past it. I'm in love. So I hope you've enjoyed today's weekly tip, because I certainly have. Let's hope you have too.